Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, and welcome to another Parramatta Light Rail Construction update for you viewers. I'm actually at Rosehill at the moment. I'm going to do a short walk around the area, show you the latest developments of the Parramatta Light Rail construction progress for you viewers. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, just over there in the distance they have a U name for the bridge over James Ruse Drive at Rosehill, which is called the Bidgee Bidgee Bridge, named after one of the descendants in the Parramatta area. So that's one of the grass sections of a light rail in Parramatta. So I'm going to show you more sections of it. Who'd have thought trams could fly through the neighbourhood at 55 kilometres per hour when the cars are restricted to about 50. I'm just going to take a look just up here guys, because there's a section of the tracks that are grass. Just gonna cross the road just a moment. Just put the camera down the asphalt for a moment. Trying to take a good photo here. Just walking back across the road. Just gonna quickly show you viewers where we are at the present time. That's the Parramatta River. Yeah, just about where the green dot is. We're going to take a stroll across onto the eastern side of the Parramatta CBD. I will show you the construction progress along Church Street in the very next episode. So I'll get back to the walk here guys. This will be the first time trams will make an appearance in Parramatta in such a long time. Thought I might show this in for you viewers. Thought I might include this because it represents the past. And that is the future. Now on this side, yes, good. Show you the grass tram tracks up close for you viewers. Anyway, viewers, just approaching the fringe of the Parramatta CBD. Anyway, viewers, here's one of the stops on the eastern fringe of the Parramatta Central Business District, and that goes west up along Macquarie Street, and then it turns to heading north along Church Street, Parramatta, which we'll see in the next episode. So on that note, viewers, it's time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.